is Ritanya and Asmiyutan, and welcome to our channel Velocity Minds. Today we will be learning exercise 1.4 from the chapter Number Systems. Let's do it now.
Hi everyone, today we are going to see 9th CBSE Number Systems exercise 1.4. First question is, we have to visualize 3.765 on the number line by successive magnification. What do you mean by successive magnification? First, if we have to visualize the first decimal, then the second, then the third decimal. Okay? So now we are going to visualize 0.7, that is 3.7. Okay? We have to take the first decimal. So what should be the number line? It should be between 3.1 to 3.9. Understand? We have to visualize the first decimal point. Okay? So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. Now, where will be 3.765? It is not exactly in 3.7. It's somewhere between 3.7 and 3.8, isn't it? So now we have to visualize the second decimal, that is 3.76. So how should be the timeline number line? It should be 3.71, 3.72, because we have to visualize the second decimal, that is 76. So it should be starting from 3.7172, because we have identified it between 3.7 and 3.8, right? So 3.71, 72, 3.73, 0.74, 0.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and 4. Sorry, 3.80. Okay? Now 3.76 is not exactly at 3.76. It is somewhere between 3.76 and 3.77. Right? So we are going to magnify 3.76 and 3.77. So we are going to visualize the third decimal, that is 5. Okay? So the range with number line should be 3.760, 3.761, because we have to take the third decimal into count. Okay? So 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 766.767, 3.768, 3.769 and 3.77. Okay? 3.77. Okay? Now, exactly we have found where is 3.765. Right? So, first we have to view the first decimal. Second, we have to visualize second decimal. Third, we have to visualize the third decimal. This is called as successive magnification. Okay? This is called as successive magnification. Okay? First, we have found where is 3.765, then 76, then where is 3.765. Understood? Now we can go to the second question. We have to visualize where is 4.26 on the number line up to 4 decimals. Here there is a bar over 26, which means the 26 is repeating infinite times. So 4.2626. I am stopping with this because they have set to visualize only up to 4 decimals. Okay? We have to take the first decimal, 4.2. So, what should be the number line? Yes, 4.0, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, because we are visualizing only the first decimal. Okay? So, it should be 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. Now where is 4.26? It is not exactly on 4.2, right? So it is somewhere between 4.2 and 4.3. Now we are magnifying this 4.2 and 4.3. So we are taking the second decimal. So how it should be? We are magnifying 4.2, 4.3, right? So 4.20. We are taking the second decimal, right? 20, 21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.3. Okay. Now here we can locate 4.26, but what we are asked to do 4.626. Okay, 4.2626. So it's not exactly on 4.26. It is somewhere between 4.26 and 4.27. So now we are visualizing the third decimal. So we are magnifying 4.26 and 4.27. So we are adding the third decimal 4.260, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269 and 4.27. Okay. Now, where is 4.262? 4.262 we have found, but what we need to find? 4.2626. So it is somewhere between 4.262 and 4.263, right? So next we have to magnify this 4.262 and 4.263. Now we are visualizing the fourth decimal. So we are going to add the fourth decimal point to this 4.262. What we should add? 4.262 0. So 4.262 0, because fourth decimal we are visualizing. 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628 and it goes on. Okay. Now what we are asked to find? 4.2626. Can you locate this in number line? Yes, this is the point, 4.2626. So for this, first we are visualizing the first decimal. So we are writing the number line with only one decimal value, that is 4.0. Now we are adding 0 to 4.2 and we are visualizing the second decimal. Then we have found where is 4.6. Then we are adding 0 to that and visualizing the third decimal. Then we have found where is 4.262. So then we are adding 0 to that 4.262 and we are visualizing the fourth decimal. Are you clear with this? Okay. With this, exercise 1.4 is over. It is a very short exercise, isn't it? Okay. Now we can see the 1.5th exercise in the next video. Okay. Whenever you get free time in this quarantine, please practice maths. Okay. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off, Parvina Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts, comment down. Signing off, yeah, Ramesh.